cholam is represented in two different ways. The first way is by a dot in the upper left corner of the letter. This is what we call cholam chaser. In a second way, the cholam is represented by a dot on top of a mother of reading, like in the example you see on the screen. The mother of reading follows the indicated consonant, and it is usually a letter Vav. In this case, we call it cholam maleh. To clarify, this is the consonant, and this is the cholam maleh sign. Cholam maleh is decorating a mother of reading and not the letter itself. Soon I will show you more examples. Cholam maleh can also appear with the letter Aleph as a mother of reading, like in the word rosh. This is less common than cholam maleh with a Vav combination. In both forms, cholam adds the sound of O to the consonant. To conclude so far, cholam has two forms, cholam chaser and cholam maleh. Both add the sound of O to the consonant. Cholam maleh decorates a mother of reading added to the letter, and cholam chaser is represented by a dot in the top left corner of the letter. Before we continue, I want to take a second to talk about the letter Shin. We know that the letter Shin has a dot on its left or right side. That determines the consonantal sound. Shin, like other letters, can be decorated with cholam maleh and cholam chaser. That raises the question, what will a shin decorated with cholam look like? To avoid potential confusion, I want to show you examples dedicated to the letter shin. On the screen, you see 4 words, 2 of which have a left shin and 2 a right shin. In addition, each couple of words is decorated once with cholam maleh and again with cholam chaser. Let's look at the word shofar. This is the letter shin and the shin dot that defines the consonant. This is the letter Vav and cholam dot that belongs to the nikud sign. Both the Vav and dot are part of the nikud cholam maleh. In this case, we can easily see which dot is which. Let's see the word yachasof. This is the left shin and the dot that belongs to it. The other left dot is the cholam chaser nikud sign. It is not a part of the letter. This may be a little confusing, so you must see it and learn how to recognize the correct dot. Go over the rest of the words on the screen until you feel confident about your ability to separate the dot that belongs to the letter shin from the cholam sign. That is it for the special case of the letter shin. Let me show you more examples with different consonants. The word yom. You can see the letter yod decorated with cholam maleh. How can we tell it is a cholam maleh? The vav with the dot on top of it. Another example is toda. We have the letter tav that followed by a letter vav with the cholam dot on top of it. Together it's תודה. The next syllable is דה. You can see the letter ד' decorated with a קמץ גדול. In the word חוק, we can see חולם חסר decorating the letter ח'. No vav letter or other manner of reading in a חולם חסר. The חולם dot decorates the letter directly. The last example for today is בוקר טוב. The word contains both חולם forms. Take a moment to identify the signs. We can find חולם חסר on the letter ב' in the first word בוקר. In the second word טוב, we can find חולם מלא decorating the letter ט'. Here is a summary of the two ניקוד variations. Next lesson we are going to start a new vowel sound with a new ניקוד sign, סגול. That is all for today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.